Hello guys, this is Arkneil Gaming and we'll be drawing for the first phase recharge event of King of Fighters. This is a rerun of the event guys, and the good thing about this event is you can choose from the original first 6 King of Fighters skins and also the new King of Fighters skins which features these 3. So I already have all the King of Fighters skins from the first batch, so I'm gonna draw on this batch instead. So here you have a chance to get that 3 from the regular draw, but that's only a small chance guys. So I have recharged 250 diamonds and spent 150 diamonds to get 16 collab tokens guys. I think I'm just gonna draw on the first 10 draws because I'm gonna save the other 6 for the next phase. What happened?
From here to the
What?
throne.
What happened? Why did it say you've texted the event? Hey guys, I'm gonna reopen the Mobile Legends app. This is the first time that happened to me guys. I have to reset because when it gets through guys. Okay, go. Didn't get through. So let's go. Did we get anything? Okay. What's this? Dark Rose Freya. So we got the Saber Breacher which is just an epic skin guys. Yeah. I'm hoping to get any of the lucky box skins besides the KOF skins. Anyways, wait, what's the draw rewards? Oh, we didn't get the middle one guys, and so we still need to draw 9 more to trigger bingo. So I'm gonna save my tokens for the second phase guys, sorry, because I think drawing 10 times is better than drawing single times. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.